I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Edge on Android for free. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get this done, first of all, you need to launch your Google Chrome browser. I'm going to launch Chrome. Then go to search and just search for Microsoft Edge. Then we are going to click on the first link, Microsoft official website. So just tap on the first link. Then it will land you to this page. So this is their official website. Do not worry. If you download from this website, it is safer. So just click on download Edge. Then here you can choose what to open with. If you have Google Play Store, you can use Play Store. If you have App Gallery or Huawei, you can also use that one. But for this, I'm going to use App Gallery. So I'm just going to tap on App Gallery. Then it will land you to this page. So just click on install. Then as you can see, it is already downloading in order to install. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So let us just give it time for it to complete. Okay guys, now as you can see, the installation has just finished. Now you're just going to tap on open to open Microsoft Edge. So if you like to make Microsoft Edge your default browser, you can just tap on set as default browser. But I always prefer Chrome, so I'm just going to tap on not now. Then you can select your email if you wish to enter your email. But for this video, I'm going to tap on not now. Then confirm. Then as you can see, the interface is here for Microsoft Edge. So that's simply it guys. That's how to download and install Microsoft Edge on Android. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider to like the video and also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.